Knock it. Targets are at 300 meters.
300 meters.
This is a TPT round. What ring are you going to put it on?
First ring.
All right.
Spin this to 300.
Okay, go ahead, set it.
Roger. Bring it down a little bit and pop it back in if I can.
Comfortable with your kit.
Roger.
Good turn.
Don't worry.
All right, cock it, put it on safe.
Weapons on fire, ready? Fire! You're gonna shoot up like that too anyways. I'm ready when you are.
Alright, it's on you, gunner. Load! Make sure you get your eye up on that eye cup, alright?
Ready?
Ready to fire!
Back blast air clear!
Alright, cock it safe. Five pad comfortable.
Alright, load.
Load it.
Ready to fire.
Back blast area clear!
Fire!
Nice. Direct hit.
There,
Yeah,
weapons
man.
on safe, fire, unload.
See? I knew you had it.
You put your right foot over your left leg. And what you always know is at least over there.
Ready, fire. Back blast area clear. Fire.
Take down the last position from whatever.
Firing.
Sometimes these new ones got.
Alright, ready.
Okay.
Load.
Ready?
Yep. Load. Loading.
Okay, so you got your sub cal. You put the cap in there. You put this round in there and everything. He's just gonna load that like a normal round. Loads it in. One hand
Place it
operation.
on fire.
Back blast area clear. Alright, ready? Ready. Say load. Load. Roger. Alright. Back blast area clear. Unloading.
There you go.
Did you shut that one?
And I like that you
Hold on.
Oh, my bad.
Alright, ready to fire.
Projection.
guys got any questions in the future, here's my card.
Bag 1, bag 2, range finder outdoors, we'll do it later at the range, right? So, then we'll take the box and put it back there.
One you see here, I see everybody's got on the weapon. Everybody good on the telescope? I should have a Picatinny fire control device. I have one of these right here. You should have the following. You should have a spare firing pin, cocking lever here on the bottom. In case you lose one, you have spare. Alright. We're going to cover those as well. Alright, we're going to cover the weapon. Huh?
Screws.
Screws? Okay. Everybody see what I'm talking about, right? Alright, so I'm going to explain to you why the weapon has to be cocked. If for some reason the gun is about to fire the weapon and somebody goes to the backlash area, the AG can grab the Venturi locking lever, that small piece right there. Alright, so what that does is when you close the Venturi, the locking produces. Alright, and you do not want to fire that round, or you fire the round, there's going to be a casing left every time. So tap it forward like that, and you see how it moves the casing out of the way. So that way you don't have to be trying to grab the barrel itself. The primary purpose of protective ring is to keep the Venturi locking lever from gouging the barrel. The Venturi, primary purpose of it is to keep the backblast away from the AG and the gunner. Locks onto it perfectly. Keep the Venturi from opening. Any question on the Venturi? On your shoulder, and it keeps it tight against you. If you do not have that, the shoulder fire with it, just take it out completely. But when you fire from the prone, you got to have the bipod. This is your front grip. Right. And it locks it into place. Then you have the cartridge case guide. This is you line it up with the weapon like this. So when your finger touches the cartridge case guide, you know that. Then you want to line up the horizontal portion of the ring with the horizontal line.